Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable local administrator accounts in Workgroup mode on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the settings that allow Workgroup mode are a little bit different than Active Directory domains on your computer. So the procedure to enable the built-in administrator account requires a little bit of a different approach. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in lusrmgr.msc and go ahead and run that. It should be the Microsoft Common Console document. And now we want to double click on the users folder. Now you want to right click on the administrator and select set password. Select proceed. Type in a password in here and then select OK. Should say the password has been set, and then select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.